The 2013 Fusion. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto headlight on/off, body color bumpers. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, dual zone. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.